Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Janet. I study at the Royal Kindergarten. I am in class Royal 5. My topic is Dancing Queen. Long time ago, there were 9 ants. Mommy down waiting and waiting. Finally, the ants had they have pretty shiny yellow feather, but the rest was very quiet. Then she cannot choose. She was so ugly. Everybody called her Ugly Duckling. She had no friend. Ugly Duckling told herself, "It's okay. Nobody likes me. I can't give up. I like dancing very much. I will practice all day long. One day, I will be a dancing queen." She improved day by day. There was a dancing competition. She signed up. It was so tight. Everybody felt change. She was a black duck. Ugly Duckling danced very beautifully. She danced too well. At the end, she got the